welcome back to my channel, Diamond Painting with Anxiety. This is Karen. So, today we're going to do a couple of unboxings with two Diamond Art Club canvases. I am going to give you a little bit of a warning on the front end. I am filming out in the main part of the house, so there may be a lot of pauses in this video, because if the residents come through, I will need to pause, but I did want to unbox these two canvases that I have purchased with the residents in mind, sort of. One of them I purchased with the residents in mind, one of them I purchased with myself in mind, but I have a dilemma. After we unbox these, I will talk to you a little bit about my dilemma and we'll see where things go from there. So this first kit is a round kit. It is 30 by 22, so 76 centimeters by 56 centimeters. It is a kit that I purchased because I wanted to participate in the Winter with Dak event that's going on that Rachel Ray and Wolfpack Diamond Painting are hosting. So I had originally purchased a painting that I wanted to do for the residents, and when they announced this event, I decided that I would like to do a painting for the diamond. I'm going to roll this real quick so it flips out nicely. I decided that I wanted to enter a painting for the residents that we would work on together, and one for me to do on my own. I'm not sure that's going to be possible anymore. I'll tell you why in a few minutes. But this is the one that I originally got for myself to do. And it is, ta-da, Hope Runs Deep. I don't know with this angle how well you guys can see this, but I had to go wide so that, well, you'll see. But yeah, this is my first Chuck Penson, so I was really excited to work on this. It's so holiday inspired to me. I'm really excited. I've never done a Chuck Penson. Yes, it's going to be a lot of confetti, but it should be really fun. It is a round. It does have 49 colors with, let's see, looks like it has maybe 3 ABs, so that should be really fun. Of course, this is a Diamond Art Club kit, so it comes with, you know, their standard drills, their standard toolkit with clear boat, blue pen, squishy, 2 plates of wax. It does have the amazing sticker, which is super, super helpful to, you know, kit up. This is not going to be like an unboxing video. This is more just you know, show and tell video. Obviously, my camera angle's not the greatest. So it does have, of course, all these beautiful drills. This is a good size canvas. It doesn't feel like massively huge to me, and it doesn't feel too small either. This one would look amazing. Yep, there's some of those pretty ABs, 141, which is a white color. Yeah, this would be a really fun project. And as I said, this is definitely the project that I got that I was planning on doing for the Winter with Dak. I think I'm calling it by the right name. I don't even know. If I'm not, I'll put it in the title or something, because I might be murdering it. I do things like that. But yeah, this painting looks really, really fun. So this is the first one. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to show you the second one that I got with the residents in mind, because I wanted to enter their own piece into this event, not to win a prize, but just so that we could participate. I know that people sometimes have a lot of fun watching us complete things. So I had got to pick something up just for them. So let me show you what that is. Okay, so this is the canvas that as soon as the Winter with Dak event was announced, I ran right over to Diamond Art Club and purchased for the residents to work on. They really have fun working on holiday themed pieces. Like I said, it's fun sometimes for people in our Facebook group and Instagram and things like that to watch us work through these projects. So I rushed over to Diamond Art Club and purchased this one. So what is it? Well, it's a square and it is 41.3 by 27.6. So that's 105 centimeters by 70 centimeters. Does that give it away? It might. This canvas, I'm almost afraid to open. You guys, it's Christmas morning. Oh my gosh, look at that. That thing is massive. So again, we have a sticker. We have the big walking sticker. We have our toolkit. Oh my gosh, I'm really serious. I'm almost afraid to open this up. 105 by, what did I say? 76 by 70. This is almost as big as the Path project. Now we've been working on the Path project for like a year and a half, well, getting closer to 2 years now. So, oh my gosh, you guys, this is amazing though. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at these drills. These are like logs of drills. You could hurt somebody with that. Wow. Look at Santa. He is so cute. Let's see. I think maybe if I just roll these parts back just a little, because this is almost self-flattening already. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so awesome. So like I said, thinking that, I would have lots of help to try and get this done. The Winter with Dak event, you don't have to finish by, the end of December, but I would hope that we'd be able to. So this is amazing. It's huge, but like I said, here at the shelter, sometimes, I think right now, realistically, I probably have a couple of people that would help me with this in the evenings and on Fridays. So, I think that it would kind of be possible. Now, what I had originally decided to do, well, I'm not going to open all of these drills. They're beautiful Christmas colors. There's a good chance you've already seen someone else unbox this on other channels, but I did want to tell you what my thinking had been. Like I said, I purchased this one for the residents and I to work on together, and I purchased the other one, the Hope Runs Deep canvas, for myself to work on. And that probably would have been, pretty doable. However, COVID has hit everywhere dramatically hard. And here in California, we are back on the strictest restrictions, the most serious tier, which is purple. Probably within the next day or two, we're going to go back onto safer at home, protocols. And sorry, I did get interrupted there, so I'll edit that out. But I was saying that we're about to go back into the safer at home orders. It's looking really, really likely. At this point, I am definitely being discouraged by the director here at the shelter from spending any extra or unneeded time out here in the main part of the house with the residents. So I'm torn. I don't know whether to start this and just do it myself for Christmas. This is a really big canvas for me to work on alone, or to maybe go ahead and kit it up, put this in a location where the residents can get this and kind of like beg them to help me work on it. I don't know whether to do the smaller one. I'm really torn. I don't know if I should, still try to get both done. I'm crazy. I always take on too much. So I'm likely to try and do both, but I think where I'm going to start is I am going to let the residents vote. I am going to let them vote on whether or not they want, as a decor piece here at their shelter, this canvas, or let's show it again, the Hope Runs Deep canvas by Chuck Pinson. Excuse me. Like I said, I'm really excited. I'm working on both of these. Never done a Chuck Pinson. This looks really amazing. I love the church. I just love everything about this. So I don't know. I'm torn, you guys. I think I'll let them vote. This canvas, I didn't say very much about it. It does have 63 colors. Oh my gosh, you guys, I had to purchase a special way to kit this up. I'm planning on maybe doing a video and showing you guys that one. But this is just so adorable. And with the kids in the house and all that kind of stuff, I just don't know. I'm going to let the residents vote. I'm going to let them vote and see which canvas they're the most excited about having as a decor piece here at the shelter. And then I think I'll go from there. Also, I'm going to see how many of them, because I've got about 7 diamond painters, but they're pretty busy, and of course with the Safer at Home, we all may have a lot more time on our hands. I might try and figure out some way of kitting this up and not actually working on it with them, but making it accessible so anybody can just grab it and work on it, and I don't know, when I come out to work on it, just maybe using a lot of hand sanitizers. I don't know, maybe I'll spritz it down with Lysol. I just don't know what to do. So if I have them vote, what do you guys think? Which one do you think they'll choose? Do you think they'll choose Christmas Morning, or do you think they'll choose Hope Runs Deep? Yeah, this one does have 63 colors and doesn't look like, oh yes, this one has ABs as well. No, I don't think there's any ABs in this one. Yeah, I don't think there's ABs in this one. But regardless, it's going to be gorgeous. This is going to be absolutely amazing. So I don't know, you guys. There's the 2 kits. We have Hope Runs Deep. We have Christmas Morning. But with COVID, Safer at Home, me trying to isolate because there's like up to 50 people that live here if we're full. Me trying to isolate myself. Oh, this just screams Christmas though, doesn't it? I don't know. This one screams winter. This one screams Christmas. What do you think? Which one are they going to vote for? Am I going to be crazy enough to try and work on them both? I don't know. We'll have to see, and you'll have to stay posted to find out. If you're not already a subscriber, we would love to have you subscribe. Hit the notification bell. If you're a regular here, thanks for coming back and listening to my crazy ramblings and my unusual unboxings. If you're not a member of our Facebook group, where I focus on the resident diamond painters here in the house, we have a Facebook group called the Diamond Painting Path Project on Facebook. We would love to have you join us. You can come over to Instagram and follow me at Diamond Painting with Anxiety, or you can follow the His House Diamond Painters. That Instagram account has posts just about what the residents are working on. So we'd love to have you come join us. And real quick, before I let you go, I do want to remind you that 365 days a year, but especially this time of year, hope does run deep. And we can change lives, one drill at a time, even if it's just our own. Because when we change our lives, the entire world around us is going to change. That's it for now, you guys. Stay tuned. We'll see what I'm crazy enough to do. See you soon.